Welcome to my channel, ketomealsandrecipes.com. Today I'm going to show you how I use my leftovers or my prep ahead meals, which I had previously frozen, to make my version of an American favorite street food or fast food that is especially popular at sports stadiums. In other words, I'm going to make my low-carb, keto, gluten-free version of chili hot dogs. As this name implies, I'm going to use my prep ahead and previously frozen, or you can use your freshly made leftover chili to make an easy, tasty, filling, and healthy complete meal. In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to have more variety in your diet by simply using your leftovers or previously frozen meals in interesting new ways to increase diversity in your diet. Before I go on, I want to say that if you do like hot dogs, I previously made a very popular Vietnamese banh mi hot dog, which I'm told is a popular street food in Vietnam. Before I continue, I also want to mention that if you do like French fries, you might want to try my jicama French fries. Links to everything I mention, as well as the written recipe, will be posted in the description box below. Please support my channel and watch all the way to the end, because I do share lots of tips and explanations which I think are important, because you should understand why you do certain things or omit certain things, especially when you're meal prepping. And if you like this video and my style of recipes, please share it with someone else who might also like this channel. Now, the macronutrient ratio for the keto chili dogs is 3.1 to 1, with 21.1 grams of total carbs, 6.3 grams of soluble fiber, 6.5 grams of insoluble fiber, resulting in 8.3 grams of net carbs per complete meal, including hot dog, chili, and all the fixings. Now you will notice that even though it starts off with a lot of total carbs, more than half the carbs do come from soluble and insoluble fiber. So you have the option to decide if this keto chili dog is a good option for your diet and keto lifestyle. For this version, I'm going to use my hamburger bun recipe, but instead of making round buns like I did in the video, I shape them into long hot dog buns. However, if you do prefer a more substantial, heartier bun, you could also use my hot dog bun recipe. In the hot dog bun recipe, it's more of a denser farmer bread style, which is extremely filling and really delicious. However, these buns are higher in total carbs and fiber. Because I want you to have a choice, I'm providing both of these buns as options. In this version with the hot dog bun recipe, although the ratio is 2.8 to 1, which is excellent, the total carbs for the entire meal is 33.1 grams. And as I mentioned, most of the carbs come from the soluble fiber, which is 14.8 grams, and the insoluble fiber, which is 5.3 grams, resulting in 13 grams of net carbs for the entire chili dog and the hot dog bun option. So whether you choose the hot dog buns or the hamburger buns for your chili dog, I leave this option up to you. You know your needs best. Now it's time to assemble the hot dog, and this is how I do it. Obviously, first I made my hot dog buns using my hamburger bun recipe. The next thing I did is I chose a really good quality all beef hot dog. Please read the label. Make sure that there aren't a lot of additives, sugars, and other things. You want as clean of a hot dog as you possibly can get. Or you can use an all beef sausage. And one more decision you're going to have to make is whether you're going to use fresh onions, or for an extra burst of flavor, use one of my pickled onion variations. These tangy pickled onions make this already delicious chili hot dog even better. Now to assemble. And before getting started, you will also need to preheat your chili. Then grate the sharp cheddar or whichever cheese you prefer. Customize it to your taste. And now it's time to get the grill pan ready. Place the pan on medium-high heat and brush the surface of the pan with the oil of your choice, such as coconut oil, avocado oil, butter, or olive oil. And when you notice that the pan is very hot, place the hot dogs in the pan. And while you're grilling, use your tongs to give the hot dog a quarter turn and keep turning until the hot dog is done all the way around. It took about 1 minute per quarter turn for me. And while the hot dog was grilling, I used the serrated knife to cut my bun in half lengthwise. But don't cut all the way through. Okay, my hot dogs are done and it's time to place them in the center of my bun. Now I'm going to take my half cup of chili and distribute it on top of the hot dog. And I'm going to add a generous amount of grated cheese. And lastly, I add a sprinkle of either fresh or pickled onions. And this is all there is to making this absolutely amazing chili hot dog. I think this looks like a work of art. Isn't it beautiful? And since it's time for lunch, I'm going to have a bite. It tastes absolutely amazing. It's so good. Even if I do say so myself. This one chili hot dog is a complete meal. And it's so filling that you won't really need anything else. I've actually found that I can't eat an entire hot dog as per my recipe. I usually eat about 2/3 before I'm totally full. Even my husband found just one of these chili dogs to be a proper meal. And he tells me that he's fully satiated after he has one. And since he and my sons have really healthy appetites, I'm assured that this is not a snack, but a complete meal. You can serve this as a complete lunch or add a side dish, such as my avocado spinach strawberry salad, to make it a fuller, complete dinner. From time to time, I like to add a little bit of food history. So what I've learned is that this chili dog is an American creation, which puts together a sausage or 100% all beef hot dog in an elongated bun, topped with chili sauce and other ingredients. The most common toppings are onions and cheese. As I have already mentioned, this chili dog is often sold either as street food at local eateries, and of course, these chili dogs are very popular at sports stadiums throughout the United States. For this recipe, no one can really agree about the origin or who was the inventor of these chili dogs. Some people believe that this chili dog was actually invented in Texas, which, by the way, is the chili capital of the USA, while other people claim that the first chili dog was created at Art's famous chili dog, which is in southern Los Angeles. Regardless of the origin of this chili dog, it remains a quintessential American street food. And because I was curious, I researched and looked up other hot dog recipes from around the world. And if you'd like me to make more videos with various hot dog recipes, please leave me a comment in the description box. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you very much for watching my video, and please come back when I post my next one. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy and healthy day. Cheers!